Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme 12x 5G, and in this video I'm going to show you how to improve audio recording quality using Dolby On app on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to open our Play Store because we have to install Dolby On from here, and I'm gonna search for Dolby On. And that's this app, so I'm gonna install. So now we can open the app. Here we can skip, we don't have to create an account. And now you can start recording audio with way better quality than default audio recorder. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!